Question 23. Keystone Bike Shop advertised a sale for 40% off any bike. The sale prices were then discounted an additional 20%. After both discounts, Jerry paid $168 for his new bike. What was the number of dollars in the original price of Jerry's bike? So if the original was 40% off, then the sale price is going to be 60% of that. If we've now taken another 20% off of this amount up here, then what we're left with is 80% of 60%. We're after 80% of 60%. And as we know, when we say of, it's actually a multiply. So I'm going to call this 8/10 multiplied by 6/10. 8/10 multiplied by 6/10 is 48 over 100. And we're told that we want to know what the original price is. We're told that for 48, this will be 48% of the whole. 48% of the original bike equals 168. So this we could say is multiplied by the original bike. The original bike will then be 168 multiplied by 100 and divided by 48. Now there's a lot of simplification that can happen here. I'm going to divide by 4, numerator and denominator, because this gets me 25 and it gets me 12. I can divide by 2. 168 is 84 multiplied by 25 divided by 12. And I know that 84 divided by 12, 40, no, that goes to 50, no, 48. And then to 60, we need 84, 72, 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this becomes 7 multiplied by 25. I've taken a factor of 2 out where I shouldn't have done. Let me have a look. It's not I've taken a factor of 2 out, is I forgot to take a factor of 2 out, which gave me 6 here. So it was 6 times table to get to 84. Let's do. I knew when I try and do it off my originals and I change my mind because I see something simpler, it's never a good idea. Okay, I'm going to divide by 2 again. 42 multiplied by 25 divided by 3. Okay, 42 divided by 3. 1, 4. It's better. 14 multiplied by 25. I'm actually going to do this using the associative properties. Because I can do this with long multiplication, but I can see that 14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is the same thing. And if I do 14 multiplied by 5, it gives me 70. So I'm going to do this. 70 multiplied by 5, I can work out, is 350. But you can do that step between here to here in whichever way you like. So this is the original price. You can see there's a big gap between 350 and what he originally paid, which was that 168. So not he originally, he actually paid a huge discount. So if you wanted that bike, definitely a good time to buy that bike.